pitch black. And all you see are like what look like Christmas lights out in the distance. And I started following the lights where the largest concentration of these lights were. It was like this massive swarm of people just like shoulder to shoulder, and it was, for lack of a better word, it was awesome. You want the pressure at 11 or 13?
Keep it where it's at. Make sure it's at 13 though.
Copy. Okay, so we got a P0507 idle speed high. I don't care about that. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, we're good, dude. We're good. For me, Chocolate Thunder, after experiencing it that night, it just left a mark where it's like, okay, if I can do that, I can do pretty much the whole of what I want to do.
It's notoriety, right? And it's a place that everyone goes to. If you're not at Backdoor during King of the Hammers, you're at Chocolate Thunder, and that's really what it is. People want to go here. It's a known thing, but Ali hasn't done it. And it's more challenging because he wants to do it with all his overland gear. He's got 38s, but he's also probably 70,000 pounds of vehicle, and vehicle weight plays into the vehicle's capability overall to do stuff like this.
It's got to be 7,000, especially with the tent, the whole kitchen in the back.
Full goose gear camp kitchen setup, the base plate, their cubbies, Snowmaster fridge,
Gas cans, awnings,
kick-ass oven, and my kick-ass shower awning, a Rome awning. We really didn't trim any weight off of this thing to do this trail.
Yeah, he's probably at least 7,000. Yeah.
How you feeling?
I'm ready to do this.
Yeah. I think you are as well. You've got an anchor point, no matter what, okay?
Got it.
When you're driving, pick your line 20 feet ahead. Don't be afraid to give it a little more.
Today, the game plan is Martin is going to lead. And I've traditionally I like to put on a show and go hard and put my foot down. And it's awesome when you see the smoke and you hear the noise, and it's great. But today's going to be a lesson in restraint. It's going to be a lesson in humility. He's going to guide me as I go up. And I'm going to learn a lot today.
No, turn passenger. Turn passenger back
Back up and reset. You're stuck. Back up, turn passenger. Back up.
You're stuck again.
Rear diff. Just the rear control arm. Rear driver's side control arm skid. Yeah, he's got a lot of things working against him. This would be a great way for him to show that he can kind of rise above it and grow as a wheeler and as a driver.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. He'll be able to basically try different lines and maybe not be as aggressive as he's been in the past.
Ali's my friend, but I also keep it real with him. And yeah, he's got to learn, and he's got to slow down, and he's got to process. Okay? Because you don't want the tire to hit that rock. You might have to back up and readjust so it doesn't flop you. Okay? So drive up to here.
Yep. Good. Feel it, but don't go too far. Always stay safe. You can always back up. We can always winch you.
We're going to just stay passenger.
Keep it passenger for the next 4 feet, then cut hard driver. We want to get the rear up.
Copy.
So we're here to kind of help him get to the point where he can do it himself, have more confidence, and not break his rig. He knows what that repair bill looks like. It's expensive. Great job. Fucking money. Do it again.
I thought we were only doing this once.
I want you to go down, and I want you to loop around, and then I want you to reset and come through it again. But I want you to drive it. I'm not going to tell you anything. I want you to do that loop.
If we did it once, they'd call it a fluke. Twice, they'd say it was luck. 3 times. Can't argue with 3 times.
Nope. Back up, turn passenger, turn passenger. All right, stop. Whoa.
That's interesting. I'm turning and I feel like, oh, my front diff is going to get through these rocks. My rear diff may be right over it. Yeah.
Okay, hard driver, do it again. Take the exit. Front's trying to pull and climb forward. The rear's trying to climb at the same time. Unless you hit this with a shit ton of fucking momentum,
To bounce up.
typically won't grab.
I thought it was
You're gonna keep it a little passenger as you come up. Try to move it forward. Okay, stop. That's a lot of overland. I don't know if you can handle that much camping, bro.
No good?
The driving's gotten a lot better in this little laps, but this is the hardest shit. Go back a little more. Back 1 foot, you're gonna come up in the rear. Stop, whoa! That's it, fuck!
What happened? Did we break?
Yeah, we broke a shaft. Hold up.
Totally fucked?
Yep, we broke a U-joint.
God damn it. Second one, dude. That's what happened last time, too. So close. Shit.
Could have been a lot worse than you doing, buddy.
Oh, we still got to get up there, so that doesn't feel great.
So he's got so much weight there, and he was so leveraged like this. All of those things that was trying to pull, that was the weakest link. Better a U-joint than anything else, because he can pull that out, but I mean, he's 3-wheel drive now.
This has been like his driving force, I think, for the last year and a half.
I'd be lying if I said I wasn't actually intending to get to the top. So that's the goal. Like, honestly, anything short of that, it's been a failure. You know, I'd be lying if I didn't expect exactly this to happen. I'm glad it happened on the 3rd time, so we got a couple on the can. We're gonna pull the wheel off, pull off the hub, and then try to get up the rest of the way.
We just pop out what's left of the U-joint, we pull the stub shaft, and we pull the short shaft, and we leave the stub shaft.
I mean, I'm kind of in it all the way, so there's a chance of hell to do it. I'm game.
Felt like it was never going to end. Felt like we were never going to get here. But here we are, about to do some stupid shit with a rig that they said couldn't be done.
Ultimately, this whole project started from getting stuck in a undercapable vehicle, overestimating my ability, hubris, all of the above, right? All the worst factors that you could have came into play, got stuck with my family, and then I built this thing. And it's like a knee-jerk reaction to having your 3 members of your family stuck on a mountain, like miserable.
He broke it 18 different ways, and in true Ollie form, it's one thing to break it and replace it, it's another to break it and improve it, and that's essentially what he's been doing this whole time.
I've had this idea for a couple of years. Every time I thought I was ready, I broke. Every time I broke, I rebuilt. And every time I rebuilt, she got stronger, better, more capable. I thought I knew what I wanted out of all this until that moment I came to Johnson Valley.
He did it in 3-wheel drive. You achieved your goal, bud. There you go. Good job, homie.
Beyond all that,
It lit
like,
something inside
seeing
me,
that happen, that
and
was
I
like
knew
the
I
single
had to
most
come
pivotal
back
point I
one
think
day
for myself as what
and
I
do
wanted to
that
do or
trail.
where I saw myself going with.
I've always been drawn to the things I wasn't supposed to do. The things I shouldn't do.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Ollie with Kate the Jeep, and today I'm gonna go ahead and start rebuilding all of the damage now that I have my parts in. We are feet on the ground.
I hope this inspires
Yes.
anyone watching to get off their ass, forget their excuses, and push through their own self-imposed limitations. I hope they feel empowered to do the things on their own that others told them they couldn't, no matter how hard those things may seem. And remember, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together.
You know, we came out here, we gave it a 250%, and unfortunately fell short the last 50% for a full 300. So, you know, I'm all right with the 250. You know, next time we come out, we'll go give it the whole 300. So these are kind of like leaf springs, so like the new I bought JKU leaf springs. It's a new kind of setup. Not a lot of people have it. Just trying it out, seeing how it works. It's not the best. It's not the greatest.
It's kind of a step backwards in technology, right?
Jesus. Oh, we're going fucking right.
Are you trying to tighten it?
No, we've been trying to tighten it this whole fucking time. God damn it. You know, you can see we put a nice new finish on the B-lock rings.
The polish finish.
This is this new polish finish. It's like, you know, part of version 4, I like to call it.
Right.
These are AutoZone special.
Okay.
And this vice grip is straight off of Amazon. But you know, it's cheap. It's a cool little mod. Like not a lot of people run this setup. But you know, we're a heavy rig. We're sitting 200 pounds, and it's just a great test bed for like new products. She's a pig. She's fat as fuck. But if shit hit the fan and I had to get through something like that, we know I could do it.